Great day, mga ka-fishes! So, my name is Michael Obshana, and welcome to my Catch and Cook Series number 1 vlog. Okay, so today we will be featuring my catch earlier today, which is the cuttlefish. Alright, so in English, cuttlefish. In Bisaya is gubutan. In Tagalog is kinabahala. Okay, sige. So, here's the ingredients. So, here are the ingredients. Okay, so 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon pepper, okay, powdered, then 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and then 1.5 tablespoon na salt. Also, ang kalaban ng mga anglers pag they go fishing or jigging or casting is the number 0. 0 yung catch, okay? So 1 egg. So here, before we cut the cuttlefish into pieces, into a calamari pieces, okay? We'll just have to mix later on all the ingredients. Now, so the most important thing for cuttlefish before you cook is to get its husks. Okay? Kumbaga sa Bisaya, bagul. Okay? Kasi ang top nito is matigas. Leo? Madinig na? It's husk. Okay? So it's very easy to get the husk. You just need to cut the neckline. Ito yung head, the neckline, ito yung body, and just slice like that. When you slice it, just push the bagol. There you go. There's a bagol, okay? And listo. Wow, amazing. So sa hindi nakakaalam, meron to. So wag nyo kainin to or else hindi siya ma-digest sa tiyan. Alright? Later on, let's put this aside. So, yun yung pinaka-importante. And then, you get the head, of course, by cutting like that. Just cut, simply cut, and then, boom! Voila! Ganun lang kasimple yung mga ka-fishes. And this one, my daughter requested me to cook a negra paella negra. Ibig sabihin, there's a rice and kumbaga the cuttlefish ink, and then ito yung ihalo ko later. So let's put this aside also. Okay? So let's put this aside. Okay? So since malaki siya, guys, hindi natin siya kaya, di ba? Kung kita niyo yung circle ng mga calamari kasi maliliit yung ginagamit nila. Ito, medyo malaki. We'll just have to cut this into strip para siyang French fries. French fries like, parang ganito lang. Okay? Parang ganito, di ba? Sobrang laki. Kita mo? Sobrang laki. Alright? All you have to do is cut in between. Then you have the strip. And then cut it into half. And then you have the 2 strips. So, ganun lang. Continue ka lang. Continue ng continue. Like that. And of course, please ensure that you need to use the very sharp knife or else your life will be miserable. Okay? So, cut in the edge. Then cut into pieces. Then you have the big portion of calamari cut, strip version. Alright. Okay, so you just have to continue doing that. Then later papakita natin how to cook it. Today, kailangan muna natin siya i-mix yung mga ingredients. Like this. 1 cup of flour. Like that, okay? And then 1/2 cup of corn starch, like that, okay? And also the pepper, powdered pepper. By the way guys, huwag niyo ilapit masyado yung yung pepper powder sa ilong niyo or else magkakaroon kayo ng nasal allergies. Okay? Even the garlic powder, right? And of course, the salt. Okay. Yung egg, later na. Okay? So, like this. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Okay? Mix mo lang thoroughly. And then you put the egg. Okay? And also, please don't ever forget to add 1 cup of water. Yan, 1 cup. Yan. To the powder mix. Okay?
Then mix.
After cutting the cuttlefish, you just put it in the mixture. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Madali lang to guys, promise. If you don't know how to cook, kayang-kaya nyo to. Okay? So, mix mo lang. Like this, oh. Makikita nyo. Kita ko sa video. Like this, oh. Kita mo lang. Yeah? Okay. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Let it simmer. Maybe 5 minutes. Okay? Para ma-absorb ng squid meat yung yung cuttlefish meat yung flavor. Okay? Okay, before you fry it, kailangan mo na siya from the mixture, you need to roll it over sa sa cornstarch before siya i-fry. Okay? Flour pala. Flour. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Okay? Roll it. Ganun lang. There's an apoy, baby. So, yun. Light up the fire! Okay, we need to cook it in batches para hindi siya magkadikit-dikit. Okay? So, kailangan i-make sure na mahiwalay siya, guys, or else magdikit-dikit talaga siya. Okay? Separate it. Okay? Just like that. Or cook until brown. Okay? Yung light brown lang. Huwag na yung masyado. Dark brown. Okay? In less than a minute, luto na to. Okay? Okay? So, luto na siya guys. So, luto na siya mga ka-fishes. Okay? Ganun lang po kasimple yung pagluluto nito. Huwag masyado matagal kasi makunat siya. It will become chewy. Second batch. Okay, kailangan iwalay talaga siya. Okay? Or else, magdikit-dikit na. Yan, sobrang bilis lang guys. Okay? Kita niyo yung yung light brown lang siya. That's it. Guys, the secret of cooking, my secret of cooking is dalawa lang. Okay? It's only two. Either to make your food delicious or more of what we call this, more of umami tastes. You can use the fish sauce. Okay? Any brand of fish sauce or patis. Or kung hindi mo siya kabisado, you can use any seasoning, powder seasoning, any brand. Okay? Just pour it over, then charan! That's it. So, here's the product. Okay? Here's the final product. So, let me taste it. Sabroso. Perfect. You can use any dippings, ketchup, mayonnaise, vinegar-based dressings, anything, okay? Because the calamari itself tastes good already and doesn't even need any dips, okay? That's it. So, see you later, guys, to my next recipe. So, great day, everyone. Goodbye. So delicious.